Good morning. I am there and just got done walking off my stop. My delivery Apple Roadie is still malfunctioning because the support room back yesterday, but I was busy getting the kids at bank account, so I didn't run them back to the 7th, so that probably won't fix this night. But either way, just like I told my wife and I told my son, I was like, I have multiple ways of making money. The issue is my wife just got her car, so she wants to make no money. I'm like, hey, go for it, more power to you. If you want to go be the breadwinner right now, knock yourself out. Because it gives her a purpose. I get to stay home more. I still have my residual income from my home-based business. And I still share with other people a way where they can own their life. I share a simple business system that is proven to create more time, money, and health in someone's life. Alright, now with that, I also make these videos, some content creation. I get on for 2 or 3 days ago. I've had 8 cents. I actually do watch my clips, my reels. But I made $31 for watching videos, but apparently that's just money to spend at the store. But whatever. So when people say they don't have a job, they have no money, it's a cop out, y'all. There's an abundance of ways you can make money. Like everyone in this world is trying to become a content creator. So I put out this content, just like with my YouTube channel and all my social media channels actually, to tell y'all there's a better way than simply going to work and work to make money every day. In content creation, if you get big and get popular and get a huge following, you'll keep generating the passive residual cash flow. People can go back and watch our previous videos. So it is true residual passive cash flow. It takes a lot of influence, it takes a lot of followers, and it takes that you're selling a lot of sales. That's why I made these videos. Because I earn all the platforms. I haven't hit to the point where I've made enough where they actually pay out or whatever. I'll keep staying consistent with making my content. Just like with my networking business. I'll stay consistent with sharing what is personally benefiting me. If somebody else wants to get more out of life, like the trash man last night, I got a new trash man at the complex. This old guy apparently moved. He was 22. He wasn't interested in getting more out of life than what I do, but I can't help. All I do is share what the person benefit me. Allow me to create more time, money, health, time that I can really care about. So the new garbage man, he's a sports bettor, and he quit this job as the trash guy at the complex just for remorse. I guess I think it's a secure or stable job income. His betting and gambling. Well, that's cool. That's cool. I don't. I help people out lives. I share some old business system that helps you create more time, money, and health. So he read the 45-second presentation. I sent him the ebook. Let's see if he actually takes the time to go through it and learn about the system. I'm like, you get started is free, so you really got no reason not to get started. Well, we'll see what happens. As I said, my bread and butter is my networking business. It's not my main gig yet because I've been treating it like a hobby this whole time. And honestly, trying to talk to people about owning their life while you're actually making deliveries, people don't really listen to me. Even though, because of the whole mix of my business and the residual income I have, a lot of people don't accept good deliveries. All I gotta do 2 or 3 deliveries a day to make some bucks. So, that's why people should not judge other people. Like, I don't judge any content creators because, like, I know a lot of y'all make a hell of a lot more money than I do, and it's residual passive cash flow. So, you mastered the art. I do not respect people who make only fan accounts and sell themselves as a content. That's disgusting. Just like this lady in Bumble Biz hit me up the other day, and her location said Cape Coral, and she's an OnlyFans model. I'm not sure what she truly wants. Like, oh, financial freedom, blah, blah, blah. Hello, chit chat back and forth. And I'm like, oh, well, if you can see a way to achieve financial freedom in a part time venture, picking your own hours, not working the weekend. Is this one if you like it? Would be interested in checking out some brief information? And yeah, I sent it like soft hard. Then I sent it to you both. Then whenever I was sending the follow up request to her, set the follow up, she removed me. That's the problem with most people. If it's not trading their time for money, they dismiss something. Don't be that person, you know. Follow my videos, like my videos, hit the notification so you stay informed on my videos. Let me know in the comments how close you are to being financially independent with what you're currently doing, and how close you are to actually being able to own your life. Time, money, health, that time. You can enjoy it with people you care about. And I'll add a link to the Own Your Life Business System so you can take 30 minutes and read the ebook and educate yourself on what the system is. If it sounds like something like to try it. I said it's free. If you don't like it, or if you don't like the product I'm company, just simply quit. That's it. It's not a subscription based company, it's a referral based company. You refer people to something you personally like. So with the physical products, if you don't like them, stop buying. If you're building a business, then you have to spend like $50 a month on products because they don't want you to be a hypocrite. Yeah, person to be benefiting from the products or the be a representative for the company. But I don't talk about products. I simply share a system that allows you to get more life. And it'll work with any networking company. So check out the links, subscribe, like, all that stuff. You know, have a wonderful day. Sprinklers are going off. I'm about to go